We want to prove that sine x multiplied by cot x plus tan x is sec x. So I think clearly here we need to start with the left-hand side because we can actually do things with the left-hand side. So expanding out, we get sine x cot x plus sine x tan x. Now cot x is cos x divided by sine x, and tan x is sine x divided by cos x. So in the first term here, the sine x's cancel and we just get cos x, and the second term becomes sine squared x over cos x. Now when dealing with fractions, it's often a good idea to get the same denominator. So to get a cos x on the bottom for this first term, you'd have to multiply the top by that as well, and so we'd have cos squared x, and then we've got sine squared x over cos x, and therefore we have cos squared x plus sine squared x over cos x. That's just ordinary adding of fractions. Well, we know that cos squared plus sine squared always gives us 1. So that's 1 over cos x, and that's equal to sec x, which is the right-hand side. So we've achieved our goal. We got to sec x. Hence, solve the equation. The modulus of sine x cot x plus tan x is equal to 2. Well, the sine x cot x plus tan x, we now know that we can replace with sec x. And since it's mod sec x equals 2, sec x is going to be positive or negative 2. And we know that sec is 1 over cos, so therefore cos x must be plus or minus a half. So we have cos x equals a half, and we're working in degrees here, but it's a standard angle, we should know that one. Cos x is a half, and so the principal value is here, and it will be 60 degrees, and its partner would be in the C quadrant at 60 degrees. And if cos x is equal to negative a half, the principal value would be at 120 degrees, around here, and the partner would be here. So all of these angles are 60 degrees like this. If we're going from 0 to 360, then the first angle we would pick up would be the 60. The second one will be in this diagram, that will be the 120. Third one will be in this diagram as well, 180 plus 60, 240. And the final one would be in this diagram over here at 300. And then you don't get any more solutions through to 360.